Hanggan TV. It's anything and everything you want to know about Philippine television's phenomenon, ang Walang Hanggan. The battle continues sa lalo pang tumitinding banggaan ni na Emily Guidotti at Doña Margaret gabi-gabi sa prime time. Pero more than the highly charged confrontation scenes, mas kaabang-abang din ang kanilang mga signature looks mula sa mga damit, sapatos, bags, accessories at syempre sa mga nagkikislapan nila mga brilyante. And today, sa Walang Hanggan TV, we will get to know more about their fashion sense, their sense of style mula mismo sa kanilang stylist, si Eric P. Benito.
This is a basic top which she'll wear with trousers for her first encounter with Black Lily. Dapat mag-contrast yung look. So ito yun. Kasi hindi na siya masyadong mayaman, di ba? It's for your first meeting with Black Lily. Of course, you're not as wealthy anymore. And I feel bad. Emily Guidotti, pero siyang Jackie Kennedy Onassis. So Jackie O for short, during her Onassis years. So that's like Scorpios in Greece, and then Paris in New York. So it's laid back, pero rich, hindi cluttered. Minimalist siya. Kunyari, meron siyang encounter with Doña Margaret, and syempre, suit mo dun sa sequence na yun, diba? Some are imported, some are made by local designers. It's a cross between Jackie O and our president, Charo Santos. Marcos' birthday, she wore an Alexander McQueen red dress. All her jewelry are real. We'll be concentrating on pearls, South Sea pearls, and diamonds. These are multicolored Haitian pearls. So parang ganyan na lang ang jewelry. These are her shoes. This is YSL. This is Hermes. This is Dior. This is Louis Vuitton, and that's Louboutin. What's your shoe size? 8. These are the bags. This is Chanel. This is Celine. This is a snakeskin togs.
Siyempre, very enjoyable na damitan si Miss Blanc kasi nga may stand siya.
Maganda siya.
Maganda siya, yeah. Yung face pala niya maganda na. So lahat ng damit talaga, gumaganda nakikarry niya.
Dito lang yan sa patuloy na pinag-usapan ang Walang Hanggan. Ito si Bianca Gonzalez nagsasabi, to infinity and beyond.